So, now I'm back again. Have I done anything today? Yes, a little bit. I have sanded those things down once more. I did put down a thin layer of filler again, just to fill out the last scratches. I've started to sand it down a little bit more. I'll go over with 500 grit before I put down the base coat, the clear coat. But that's how it looks for a moment. I did sand through a bit, so I had to put down a bit of filler on it. So, where should these things go to? I think I have it outside here. Look here. Here's the beauty. This old tractor is the one I'm restoring. An old Massey Ferguson 35. I have changed some bearings in the rear axle, though I have put it together again. I need to wash it once more before I do grind it and paint this as well. The color should probably be the original color, so gold and grey, though I will add metallic in it instead, and clear coat of course. This is the one I'm gonna use this winter if it comes some snow, hopefully at least. Yeah, that's what I have done. Now I'm gonna go inside, take care of my kid, and unwrap a new one-wire device for my Raspberry Pi. Perhaps I will shoot that as well later on. Probably not today, but later on. Thanks, bye.